how we have made over $1,780 in a day with CPA Google Ads affiliate marketing on $350 ad spend. So let me show you exactly how this works. Okay, this is going to be a very short video. So if you're a beginner watching this video, as you can see, right, you can see 345 clicks, 21 sales or actions, okay, with CPA affiliate marketing, and earnings over here 1,500 euros, which is basically around 1,800 US dollars. Okay, now with Google pay-per-click ads, basically putting positive and negative keywords. Okay, how we are doing this? Let me show you over here. Now you can see the most important thing when it comes to affiliate marketing, ClickBank, MaxWeb, I don't know, JVZoo, Digistore, all these affiliate networks out there. The most important thing is that in 2025, you need someone who's going to help you and guide you one-on-one along the way by hand-holding you. Why? Because if you go on ClickBank or any other affiliate network, private or open networks, you need to have a relationship with someone who's going to show exactly which offer are proven to convert. Because if you go on ClickBank and just choose whatever you want by gravity, like most of the gurus are teaching you in their courses, right? Which are mostly outdated, right? Used to work 3 years ago, 4 years ago, and now it doesn't because of algorithm changes. Then yes, you are destined to fail, to lose time and money. Okay, if you have someone who can show step by step, one-on-one, exactly what campaigns are proven to work, what offers are working well, then you are destined for success. Now let's go straight into it. You can see on Google pay-per-click ads. We are looking for the people who are already in problem state, so they know, okay, we have a problem. Okay, they have a problem. They know that, and they're looking for solution, actively searching for solutions to their pains and problems on the internet, online, on Google search. What does it tell you? It tells you that social media like YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads are different than Google ads. Google ads, yes, there are people with buyer's intent. Okay, you see, solution, actively looking for solutions. How to get rid of my back pain? How can I lose my weight? How to lose, 30 pounds before summer? Another thing like how to get out of my debt, how to save money on car insurance, health insurance. All those affiliate offers are converting really well if you know exactly what you're doing. Step by step, exactly you have to know. Now you don't have to learn all this. Okay, you can see over here. Look, most of people are failing with affiliate marketing and even ClickBank, and it's not your fault. It's not your fault. Maybe you have tried ClickBank before or any other CPA affiliate marketing offers and you failed. And the reason why is because you don't know what you don't know, right? Mostly they tell you, yes, create a landing page on ClickFunnels and send clicks or traffic and it's going to work, like solo ads or paid ads, right? And it doesn't. And why? Because there is no buyer's intent. You only capture people with intention, right? Which is basically just curiosity intent, meaning they're curious. They're just curious. Oh, what is on that page? It look ugly. It look weird image. Like here, right? It doesn't make sense. It only makes sense for someone who just want to have lots of clicks. And then they wonder, heck, why I'm not getting any conversions and sales? Even you're spending thousands of dollars on ads. And that's the reason why you're afraid to spend money on ads, because you don't know exactly how the strategy works in 2025 profitably. Okay? The name of the game is how to spend money, invest money in ads profitably. So you can spend $1 and get $2 back, or $3 back, or $5 back. Yes, it's possible if you have great offer, hot offer, proven offer with great upsell take rate, as I'm going to show later, right? So you can see this is all important. Again, I'm going to tell you this. I know you don't know how to make $10,000 per month yet with affiliate marketing, because if you knew, you wouldn't be watching this video, right? Now let me ask you, but if you did know, do you think you could do it? I'm pretty sure you could. That's only 300 US dollars a day. Okay? Now, you can see over here with Facebook ads, the results we are getting, right? Returns over here. All this is doable. Again, if you know who is your audience on a deeper level, you know a little bit of copywriting, you know low emotional states, high emotional states audiences, you know awareness levels of your audiences. All this matters. And again, you don't have to learn this. All this is done for you and done together with you. Once you take someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, over the Zoom call, set it up and get it up and running. Right? That's very important. You can see most people, they don't understand what they don't understand. So their ads get rejected. Okay? People with loser mentality usually think, oh, I'm going to save money. I want to save money. Right? And then they see, oh, they waste more time and even more money trying to do it on their own. Right? Because as I told you, right, Google ads, Google pay-per-click ads, Google ads, and Facebook ads are not the same. Because with Google, person is actively looking for the solutions to their pains and problems. Okay? You have toothache, searching for some medicine or something, some weight loss supplement for diabetes, I don't know, whatever your problem is, you're actively looking on the Google search. And that's where affiliates like me and you come in place, take leverage of that, promote high quality offers, high quality products for high commissions without showing your face, spending 20 to 30 minutes per day. That's all it takes. Let's say 30 minutes per day, even 1 hour a day, 4 hours per week. Setting up, once you have a website running, I mean, the only work there is to manage campaign. Okay? And that's all it takes. So you can see most people go through life with emergency brakes on. Okay? I want to save money, I'm scared, I'm risk averse. Right? But once you let go, then you can surge ahead and have results that you desire and that you actually deserve. Okay? Because you both know you could do it. Okay? If other people can do it, so can you. No one has 2 brains or 10 times more smarter than you. They just know things that you don't know. And once you know them, you can also do them. Okay? It's easy as that. All right? Again, you can see why this works, because you not just learn, but you discover the things that you didn't know before. They exist. Okay, it's like missing puzzle. You can have a whole image. Okay, you see it on the wall in front of your eyes right now. So imagine you have a puzzle, but if one is missing or 3 piece puzzles are missing, you cannot complete the whole image. Same thing here. Okay, once you have okay, this component and this, we connect it together, and that's how it works. You see, oh my god, I made my first $400 today. I made my first $100 today in profit with ClickBank or any other affiliate, CPA affiliate network with Google pay-per-click ads, for example, right? You can see how we do it together, right? To set it up, so you're not sitting on your like this, buying some courses, sitting like this, and watching videos for 8 weeks just to find out there is no support. You get stuck along the way. Your ads get rejected. Your ad account gets shut down because of compliance mistakes that you did. Because again, it's not your fault, but that's how it usually goes. That's why you need someone who can help you and guide you step by step, one-on-one along the way. Okay? So you can fast forward yourself. You can fast forward yourself and have better results. Now the main question is, you have 2 options now in the end of this video. You have 2 options. One option is to shut it off, forget everything, go back to your job or whatever you're doing, and forget about affiliate marketing. Or if you're smart, and I know you are because you're still watching this video, you can use the proven done for you or done with you system that will allow you, so it will allow you to start having results. So right now, all you have to do is make a decision to have more freedom, to get more results in 2025, to start generating results. There is my WhatsApp number, my Instagram, my email, my messenger on Facebook. Okay, you can see over here. There's my Instagram. You can follow me or DM me, but only if you're serious, right? If you really want to take it to the next level in 2025 and actually start generating results for yourself, maybe your family, maybe your extra vacations for your kids. I don't know, whatever your dream or goal is, it's all possible. It's still possible in 2025 with new method to get results with this system, so can finally allow you to have experience some more new things, more freedom in your life. Again, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.